Okay, let's review the benefits of the Monport Reno 65 Pro. 1. It features 800mm per second high-speed engraving, which is the leading speed of the same type of products. 2. With 65 watts of powerful CO2 laser power and a 600 by 400mm working area, it's perfect for efficient DIY handmade customization. 3. The quality of the engraving is excellent, perfect for engraving grayscale imagery in a variety of materials. 4. It features a very professional X-Y axis movement accuracy, even at engraving speed of 800mm per second. 5. The working bench can be raised and lowered to engrave objects up to 10 cm in height. 6. Monport Reno 65 Pro features a very low working noise, and the smoke is very well insulated, making it suitable for indoor use. 7. The machine comes with a control panel with a good user interactivity, which makes it easy to control laser head movement, view engraving files, and preview engraving progress. 9. The body is mostly metal construction and looks very solid and enclosed. 10. It features high safety and is very easy to use, and the external water pump allows me to change the water whenever I want. In conclusion, the Monport Reno 65 Pro 65-watt CO2 laser engraver and cutter is a very professional machine. It seems to apply industrial-grade technology to the desktop laser engraver. If you are a professional small business producing handmade products or a professional DIY maker, this Monport Reno 65 Pro is a professional producing machine for you.